Hello everyone, welcome again to Cynthia Man TV. So today I just want to show you something very interesting as we keep learning different ways of creating images or changing the image to avatar or any other style, you understand, any other style to the image. So I'll continue to use this character. I just want to show you people something. Now, this is where we download, as you can see, right? Then here, if you don't like if you dislike the image that AI created for you, you click on this button. This is to help AI to get the feedback of its customer and or ChatGPT so that they can improve on their technology. Okay, if you click here, it is like that means you appreciate the image which they created for you, so it also helps them in one way or the other. So for example, now continue to use the image. I'll download the image by clicking on this button, which I have done already. So I download the image has been downloaded. Now I want to upload. You can use any image. I just always use this particular image to demonstrate one or two things so that you can learn something out of it. So I've downloaded it. Now click on this button here, like this, that looks like a plus. Okay, you click on it, then you click on add photos and files. So if you have a file, you can click on this button, or if you have a photo, you can click. The photo is still the images that you want to upload. Like I said before, it can be any image. So you click on the on add file. Then this is it here. You see it's coming from ChatGPT, and they gave us the date and the time and more other information that you need to know. So when you click on it, you click on open. As you can see, this is a video downloading. When you look at this white thing here, is going round, means it's downloading. When you don't see it again, that means the downloading is completed. So now I have clicked on it. Now look at something. This is what I really want to show you people to understand something. You see this thing here, style. You click on it, this small button here. Now if you want this image that you have uploaded to be in a cyberpunk format, you click on it. If you want it in this format, this one or anyone, now if you want to see more of it, you click on this space here, this button here, like this. Then you highlight it, then you scroll below, so you see many of them. This is all, you understand? So if you want this character to look in the dramatic headshot, you click on that one. You see it has already given the description to ChatGPT to describe this image that you have uploaded. You know, restyle this photo into a high contrast black and white headshot close up, black shadow background. You know, it just gave everything. And then now look at something very important. If I want the aspect ratio here is 4:3, so I don't want 4:3. Let's say I want it in a portrait format, like in a way that I can post it on YouTube, on TikTok. Okay, so I'll put 9:16. Okay, remember I told you that when it is for TikTok it is 9:16. If it is for Facebook, or yes, for Facebook too is the same thing. Then for YouTube is 16:9. Okay, you just interchange it. So that's it. Now I sent it for it to be generated. Let's watch and see. So it's generated. You need to have a good internet, because if you don't have a good internet, sometimes it will just keep turning and turning and turning until you get fed up. Okay, all right, it's getting there. We are getting there. So you know, creating images is very simple, but it's technical, especially if you want a particular style to it. Okay, so you need to give AI exactly what you want. All right, you can take ideas from left, right, front, back, put together and come up with something of your choice. That is how people are being creative to come up with exclusive or beautiful photos or images. You may think that this is a real person, not knowing that it's AI. You get, so you take note of that. So it's gradually loading. You have to be patient, and you cannot upload another picture while another picture is still uploading. It's still creating. They are still creating the image. It will never go. You see this little box here, this one here, it shows that something is they are creating something. Okay, so if you upload a photo and want it to go, it will never go until this thing is changed. You see now, it has changed. Are you seeing? Easy here, it has changed. That means now you can upload another photo and create. So let's see. This is the outcome. Have you understood? Voila. Let's do it again. Let's change it again to another style. So if you click on this image, I didn't say about the image. Okay, when you click on this image, that means you want to come out from it. But if you click this X and you click create image, that's when you see these two things, this image and style. All right, then now you come back. Let's upload the same image. Let's upload the same image. Let's choose a style. Which style do you want us to take now? Okay, let's take a coloring book. It has given us a description. Now look at something here. Oh my god, they say fail upload. I don't know why. The setting. Let's upload again. Let's see. Okay, it's internet and distraction. Sometimes internet is slow, sometimes it can just disappoint. So you need to be vigilant. So you see now, the internet here is slow now. The internet has gone slow. That's why it's not downloading faster. Okay, now remember they have given us the prompt. This is a prompt here that they have given us, and they have not given us the aspect ratio. It is left for you to input your aspect ratio. So our aspect ratio is 9:16. The format which we want to post on TikTok or Facebook, even Instagram. Yeah, the Instagram mostly is 1:1. Yes, but with this format too, you can use it on Instagram. Okay, so let's create it. So it's creating it. So if you scroll below, you see that it's creating here. Is when you start seeing this thing, that means you are trying to pick out what you have given them to start creating. So you need to be patient. And why they are creating this, you can always go to something else and be doing other things before coming back to the page. Okay, you must not stay on the page and be watching. No, you can always go out, come back to the page, and that's all you get. For example, if you come here to my CapCut, like while they are creating, this is my CapCut. I always create videos and come and stock here. You see, I have so many projects that I'm working on. You see, this is there are so many things I will have to teach you people. Yes, and then this is Canva. You know, I come here to design my cover pages. I design flyers too for people. If you want flyer for anything, just contact me and I'll design something for you. So as you can see, these are things I have designed. You know, so you can always move to something else before you come back to your ChatGPT and see what you are trying to create. Okay, so this is it, because sometimes it might take long. Wow, are you seeing? People use this to do cartoons and things like that. So I just said let me show you this style. You can go on and create things that you desire. any image of your choice, any image of your choice you can use. Okay, so thank you very much, and keep liking and subscribing to my channel. You'll learn a lot. See you next time.